Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have some new sugar drizzle to share with you guys today. I was very generously gifted their new Meant to Be eyeshadow palette. This is a 6-pan palette. We are getting one matte shade and then we get 5 beautiful shimmer shades. There's some duochromes and I believe multi-chromes in here. I'll double check that. But this 6-pan palette, as well as the new highlighter I'm about to show you, both of these goodies are going to be dropping this Saturday, August 20th at 11 a.m. CST. That would be 12 p.m. EST. You can use my code, which is Steff or Steff10. I'm going to have it up here. I think it's Steff10. That will give you 10% off of your order, and I'm really excited to try these out. You do get a mirror with this palette. The palette is going to retail for I think $27.95. Yeah, $27.95 for this 6-pan palette. And the highlighter, which is brand new, this is DARLIN NIKKI's. Nikki is the owner of Sugar Drizzle. This is her My Lighter, and this is a tri-chrome highlighter. This highlighter retails for $24.95. I'm assuming it is a very expensive formula. You guys know that you buy multi-chromes and duochromes. You know how expensive it is to manufacture, to create these special shadows. So I'm assuming that this has a higher price tag because it was more expensive to formulate. This will be again $24.95, and you can use my code to get 10% off. You do get a little mirror over here as well. I think it's cute. I think the entire collection, it's small, it's cute, it's to the point, and bees are definitely having their moment right now. Oh, I love it. I'm going to be creating 2 looks. I already have the highlighter on. I've been wearing this face of makeup for about 9-10 hours now. I'm just getting home from work. So yeah, I've been rocking the highlighter all day. I even used the highlighter in my recent, I believe you saw that video already, the Get Ready With Me video trying a bunch of new makeup. I did use the highlighter in that one, but I wanted to do a dedicated video for the eyeshadow palette. So I'll be creating 2 looks with it today. If it is your first time here on my channel, first and foremost, hello and welcome. My name is Steff. Happy to have all of you here. Here on my channel, I do lots of new makeup reviews. That is primarily the thing you see here. New makeup products, multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, which is what I'm doing today, makeup ranking videos. If all of that sounds great to you and you want to see new content on pretty much a daily basis, because I do upload quite a bit, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. During the week, I tend to upload in the evenings, and on the weekend, it could be at any time, whenever I do have time to upload. And if you like what you see, if you like Sugar Drizzle, if you just like a good old-fashioned makeup review and eye look tutorial, do me a favor and click the thumbs up before you go. As usual, all the makeup that I'm wearing, both on and off camera, will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, and if you do use any of my codes, guys, I thank you so much, because every little bit does help. It does help me fund this channel and just continue to do what I love to do, which is try new makeup. So if you guys want to see these new Sugar Drizzle products in action, keep on watching. Okay guys, so like I mentioned, I do have the highlighter on already, and you can definitely see that. You can definitely see it better in person. The lights in here kind of drown it out, but trust me, it's beautiful. It's a very beautiful highlighter. This can definitely even be like a blush topper, and or maybe you want to use it as a blush, who knows, but I think it's very pretty. And you can also use this on your eyes as well. So let's dive into Meant to Be. I'm gonna try and just use this palette. I don't want to bring in anything else. I just want to use the 6 shades amongst these 2 looks and just see how the palette is going to perform. So we only have this one matte shade, so I'm probably going to be using this matte shade in both looks. This matte shade is called Plan B, and that's the one I'm going to start off with. I'm going to just work that in the crease and a little bit in the outer corner, and I'm using a Rephr 14. Guys, don't forget that Rephr is having their BOGO event, which is buy one get one free. That starts on August the 17th. I've already posted a couple times about it in the community section here on YouTube and also over on my Instagram with brushes that I recommend. The 14 is definitely one of them. So I'll have my affiliate code linked in a pinned comment of today's video in case you want to shop through there. Again, I thank you guys because every little bit Every little bit helps. And this shadow is beautiful. Love the shade. I like that this is a 6-pan palette as well. And I really like that she included a matte shade. And guys, just to let you know, because I know I got this question about the Refer sale, the BOGO sale. One of you asked if you have to, when you buy one brush, if it has to be the same brush that you get for free. No, it doesn't. You can mix and match brushes. Obviously, the one you get for free is going to be the one that's the least expensive, but you can definitely pick up a Refer 03 and maybe a Refer 14, and one of them would be free. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Right now, me looking at this, I see like a red orange, and you guys are seeing like a purple. So we're going to use this and probably another shade on the top, and then we'll do something different for the lower lash line. This shade is called Pollinates, and I'm taking it on a damp Morphe M124. So see right here, it definitely looks purple. And now I'm looking at it in the pan and it looks maroon. I'm going to use my Refer 14 to just blend right in here. Now I think I'm going to go in with this shade called Bubblegum for the inner portion. Same damp Morphe M124. This is a textured shadow. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. The shade is called Wannabe, and I'm going to take that on a damp Refer 26. This is also one of the textured shimmer shadows. I do obviously have some mascara on. The one I'm using is the Legit Lashes from Huda Beauty. Okay guys, I'm gonna add some finishing touches like eyeliner, touch up the mascara, and I'll be right back to show you this look number 1. Alright guys, here's the completed look number 1. I was able to use 4 out of the 6 shades. These were the 4 shades that I went in with to get this look. I used a little bit of Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner on the top lash line, of course the Legit Lashes mascara. And for the lower waterline, an LA Girl Pastel Dreams eyeliner. This one is in the shade Lavender. Love the way the look turned out. Love these shimmer shadows. The matte is a good matte. Let's move over to the left eye and start working on look number 2. All right, so for look number 2, I'm not going to do the matte shade on the lid. I'm just going to work with these 2 shades and see what happens. I'm going to start first with the green one. The green one is called Humble Bee, and I'm using my damp Morphe M124. Just doing that right here in the center. Now I'm going to go back in with this shadow right here called Pollinates, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner. And I am going to spray the brush. Same brush. Picking some of that shade up on a Refer 13 just to help me blend right in here. All right, now I'm going to try this shade for the inner corner. This one is called Buzz-a-Lots. Same brush, I did spray. Love this color combo. How fun. All right, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to use the matte shade, and this one's called Plan B. I'm just taking that on a Refer 26. I think I'm going to bring this inner corner shade down. Actually, you know what? Never mind. I'm going to get the highlighter, and I'm going to use the highlighter right down there. So here's the Darlin Nikki's highlighter, my lighter. I'm going to use that Refer 26. I'm just cleaning it off. Now I'm going to spray the brush. I pick up the product first and then I spray. I just use some setting spray. Oh my goodness. You see how this highlighter has that pink red reflect to it? It's so pretty. It's a beautiful Again, you can use this highlighter, blush topper, inner corner highlight the way I'm doing, whatever you want to do. Let me add those finishing touches and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. All right, guys, here's the completed look number 2. Same Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner, same mascara. For the lower waterline, I went in with this one from ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Teaspoon. Any excuse to use a green liner or green shadow, I will take it. I love the way both of these looks turned out. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and share with you guys my final thoughts on these new Sugar Drizzle goodies. Okay guys, so after creating 2 looks, this is the second time that I wear this highlighter. I love everything. Everything was just so easy to work with. Really easy to work with. I didn't have to go in with any glitter glue, glitter primer. I mean, just spraying the brush and applying. I got very little fallout, and I only got fallout like on this side, and it was, again, very minimal. I think the whole idea of bees is a great idea. We've been seeing that a lot here in 2022. Meant to be from Sugar Drizzle, and of course it's a beautiful 6-pan palette. I would have liked to have seen a pop of yellow maybe in this palette, but I love the color story. This is definitely giving me fall, Halloween vibes. I'm ready. I'm ready for the holidays. I'm just ready, I guess, to start decorating. I don't know, guys. I'm one of those that puts up a Christmas tree the day after Halloween. So let me know if you're the same way, but I'm getting very Halloween fall vibes from this palette, and I'm not mad about that at all. The Darlin Nikki's My Lighter is beautiful. This is a beautiful trichrome highlighter. Again, it's not cheap to formulate these shadows, so that is why this one comes with a higher price tag. This is $24.95. This is $27.95. You can use my code STEFF10, I believe. It's Steff or Steff10. I forget which one it is. It's always in the description box to save a little bit of money. Both of these products drop on Saturday, August the 20th at 11 a.m. CST. I will most definitely be updating you guys in the community section. I'll probably put my link up there about an hour or half an hour before the products go live on the Sugar Drizzle website. And of course, if you follow me on Instagram, which I hope a lot of you do, then I will most definitely post it on my stories and stuff. But let me know what looks you like best. Are you team 1, team 2, team all? Sound off in the comments down below and let me know if you're going to be picking anything up. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.